I am on exercise 2.1. I'm going to walk through this with you. Okay, so the first step, it says to activate the ground floor plan. So I'm going to double click on ground floor, and now I've activated the plan. I'm going to zoom in to this area where it says where the green polygon is, so where this green line is. And then I want to select the wall from the architecture ribbon up here. And I want to select the wall type basic wall, generic 6-inch. I'm going to locate the wall up here with the location line set to core face exterior. Now I'm going to select the rectangle tool over here in the draw elements, and I'm going to select this point, and then I'm going to select the other corner down here, which then draws the wall in a rectangle. Okay, and then I'm going to hit modify to get out of that command. And I want to select the line tool from the draw panel. Oops, sorry about that. I guess I still wanted to be this line tool, back in the wall command. And I want to find the midpoint of the lower horizontal wall. So if I come down here, I'll see a triangle. So that's the midpoint of the horizontal wall. I want to click and just create a straight line. Okay. And then I'm going to left click and hit cancel. Cancel one more time, or modify to get out of the command. Now I'm going to select the vertical wall, okay, right here. So it says 2 temporary dimensions appear, although they didn't appear. So if 2 temporary dimensions don't appear, as shown in your book, oh, actually, sorry, they do. They're up here. I'm trying to rush. Sorry about that. It looks like we're supposed to have a dimension that goes from this grid line 1 to grid line 2. And it wants this right dimension. Well, you know what? It's a little bit weird. Let's do it like the book shows. So we're going to go to annotate a line, and we're just going to make these dimensions ourselves. So I'm going to click here. It looks like it's on the center of the wall here, and then it goes over to this grid line over here is the dimension string. Okay, so I'll pull those down. You should include those on your drawing as well. And it says this right dimension should be 12 feet. So if I click on the wall, see how this turned blue? That means I can now edit this dimension, and I can type 12 feet in here, and it moves that wall over. Okay, so now I have 11'4" and 12 feet. Alright. Okay, in the last step, it just wants us to move this dimension line over here to this end wall. So see these little grips here? These allow us to move the witness line. See, I hover over it, it says move witness line. I can either click on this dot and it will move, or if I grab it and hold down my left mouse cursor, I can pull it over to the wall. So I pull it over to the wall and I get 37 feet 1 inch from the center of this wall to the center of that wall, and that's what my book says it should be, so I did it right. So that's how you do this exercise, exercise 2.1.